You have been listening to 911 FM DYTR, a commercial FM broadcast station of Tagbilaran Broadcasting System, managed and operated by Community Media Network Incorporated. DYTR FM operates on 91.1 megahertz with a power of 5,000 watts under NTC BSD permit number 0250-93. Our studios are located at CPG Avenue, corner Borja Street, Tagbilaran City, and transmitter located at the Daod District, Tagbilaran City. DYTR FM is operated and maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by the NTC. All first-class radio telephone operators, Rosalina G. Villamor, Hilario O. Idulsa, Nelson M. Tayag, and Medardo T. Valu Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng walhatin magsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo, aming ligaw.